Zareen Khan, who made her acting debut opposite Salman Khan in 2010 film Veer, did not have it easy in the industry. Holding on to the power of hope and realizing one's inner strength are the two important elements that keep Zareen Khan going in life. From being bullied and compared in showbiz to dealing with the fixed perceptions and negative criticisms in the industry, Zareen is battling against all odds to make a name for herself. Recently, in an exclusive conversation with E-Times, Zareen opened up on various aspects of her life. She even claimed her constant comparison to actor Katrina Kaif has not worked in her favor at all, as no filmmaker wants to work with a lookalike or duplicate. In her chat, Zareen opened up on being body shamed and called as Fatrina. Hear what she had to say.
It was a very confusing phase for me because first of all, for Veer, I had to put on weight. The makers had asked me to put on weight because I was playing an 18th century queen princess, you know. And so the makers wanted to keep it authentic. Abhi jis tarike ka real cinema, you know, we're getting to see and everybody is going without makeup and this and somehow it's accepted now. Us time pe pata nahi kya tha, they try to make it real by, you know, making me put on a little bit of weight to show okay, 18th century princess, a little on the plumper side. But that did not go down well and I was like, what have I? And I suffered the backlash that, you know, she's fat and I got names mixed with Katrina because I'm fat, so I was called Fatrina and God knows all the nasty bloody names I got. And I couldn't understand, like, what have I done? I mean, I just followed instructions and instructions given to me from the very experienced and very senior people of our industry. So that's what I did. But when the film released, oh my God, the weight and everything became such an issue. Like even after the film, when I went out for events and everything, nothing good was ever written to me. There were things only written about my weight. And I'm like, my God, what happened? Like when I was 100 kgs of weight, I wasn't made to feel this bad because, you know, nobody had the guts to bully me. Nobody ever could bully me. Now, I said, I am half that size and people are saying I'm fat. So how is this happening? I couldn't understand. It was a very, very confusing time for me. And especially I was not as smart as the 21-year-olds we have now. I was not that smart. So I was completely lost. Like, what is happening, you know? I did try my best. I used to spend like 5 hours working out and trying to, you know, you lose even more weight. But then eventually I understood that, you know, being in this journey, in this loop, in this vicious cycle for a very long time, I understood that I am a big bone girl. No matter how much ever weight I lose, I am not going to look
change
like, you know, any
like
other girl.
Else.
I will still be, in fact, I might look bad because being such a big, you know, bone structure on that, if I turn skinny, it might look very bad on me. So then I just made peace with it and I'm like, you know, rather than torturing myself and, you know, losing nothing is more than my mental peace for me.
That's not all. Zareen also spoke about being compared to Katrina and said that she feels that the public was not really given a chance to see her and have a perception of their own.
Well, in the beginning, of course, it was the whole look-alike thing that had taken up everything by storm. That, honestly, I don't even know from where it had creeped out because even before my pictures or, you know, my interviews or anything from my own side could come out, there was this one random picture that was circulated or had gotten circulated in the media, I think from my Facebook or something, and speculations were made that, oh, the Veer girl looks like Katrina Kaif. Now, you know, that time, the power of social media was not as much as we do today, you know. We had to somehow majorly depend on the media houses, the newspapers and all till that time. So I somehow feel that, you know, the public were not really given a chance to see me and have a perception of their own. It was already set to their minds that, oh, the new girl in Veer, she looks like Katrina Kaif. And somehow our audiences are also a little convenient that way they like to stay with what is already fed to them rather than, because unko opinion banane ka mauka hi nahi mila, already opinion de diya gaya tha. So people also are somehow a little comfortable then living up with the opinion. So that went on forever.
On the work front, Zareen was expecting a few releases in April last year, including 2 music videos, a Hindi horror film, 2 Punjabi films, but all came to a standstill due to the lockdown. She is still awaiting the release of her film Hum Bhi Akele Tum Bhi Akele, the release of which was postponed due to the pandemic.